friend of me is Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into clock and tap on alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, you can pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, manage vibrations by clicking on this switcher over here to switch them off or on, and tap on label. Over here, just label your alarm however you want to and tap on OK. Then choose ringtone and tap on one of those melodies to set up the best one for you. Then go back, but you can also click on add new and pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to add and going back. Now tap on save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same one. In order to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on delete icon over here. Then, if you wish to adjust more alarm settings, you need to click on those three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings and manage all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!